So YouTube, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna be doing the maintenance on the truck. I'm gonna change the spark plugs and the oil. Let me show you guys. So these are the spark plugs that I put on, and then this is the oil for the oil change. But yeah, we're gonna get started. I'm gonna change the spark plugs because it kept cutting off. I swapped it like 3 years ago, and I've never changed the spark plug. So hopefully it's just that. I don't know if you guys seen. If you guys haven't seen, check out my other video that I just posted. If you guys could like it, I appreciate that. When I was racing, like halfway through the track, it'll cut off, and then it'll like react again and catch back on. So a lot of people were telling me it was like a fuel, but I don't think it's a fuel. So like I said, I haven't changed the spark plugs since like I swapped it. So it's the first time I actually changed them. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Hopefully it's just that. Change the oil, and then hopefully that's just the problem, so we could go dyno it and everything is good. So let's get started, guys. So yeah, guys, we're here at AutoZone. So the if you guys know, the headers don't let you take out the rest of the spark plug. So I came to get the little angle thing that goes here. Let's see if they have it. Hopefully they do. So there it is, guys. I found the piece. So there's a little angle thing that I was missing. There it is. There, guys, I changed the spark plugs. That one was hard to get out. I'll make sure they're all pushed in. He told me since they're MSD wires, I shouldn't have to change them, but I mean, if I have to, I'll just go buy some. Let me turn it on for you guys. Let's use it. Nope, cold start. So I can show you guys. Brakes on that one, so that's why that one's like that on the daily.